₹5.
5 rupees?
One chai.
One chai.
20 rupees.
What? बहुत महंगा।
2 bo.
20 रुपये बहुत महंगा।
कितना?
पागल नहीं है।
कितना दोगे?
क्या ये है?
15 rupees. 2 down एक टूथ लाइट. ऐसे मत बोला करोगे आप.
और कितने रुपये चाहिए?
चाय 4 rupees. One chai.
अच्छा. एक omelette नहीं प्याज नहीं शिमला मिर्च.
No milk.
नहीं शिमला मिर्च नहीं प्याज.
No chai. Always tempered.
Direct chai, plain. Country. Do you want an omelette? Today or no?
No, not this early. Maybe yeah, another chai.
We got Larry drinking chai here. He doesn't normally like chai, but apparently he's been converted.
Chai sucks in the States. I don't know why, but it really sucks. Here it's quite good.
My personal theory is that they put like speed or crack in it to make it taste better, and that's what makes all the drivers so crazy. But I have no proof of this. It's only a personal
That's the secret
theory.
ingredient. Crack.
We have 2 chais, 4 rupees each, and one omelette 15 rupees. Total 43 rupees, just under 50 cents. Personally prefer to eat street food because it's cheaper, and if you see all the locals at it, it means it's good food, as opposed to if you eat at the tourist restaurant, they go, you're coming and you're going. So sometimes...
And then you're going.
Is how much?
The Fluxion.
See, the issue is that I'm having to walk behind Geeta so her ass doesn't get grabbed, and I'm stumbling over everything. In the meantime, I'm trying to shoot stuff. Geeta's ass is highly valuable to me. You should see it. It's a nice ass. That right there. So what are we looking for right now?
I think that's one of the money changers open up there.
One of the money changers? Walking around. You want some smoke? They were walking. Anyway, so I was saying. The only Americans I saw today were all in a flock. They were fat, overweight, and unfortunately, they were like a caricature of what you would think an American is supposed to be. It's just kind of sad that the only Americans I've seen are really like a cartoon.
And this is a 200.
Okay, so that's more than 400.
ये आपको $400 होगा मैडम, ठीक है ना? This for $400, this for $80, ओके? 100, 200, 300, 350, ठीक है ना? कितना मैडम? 90.
Right now, we're on our way to where? What?
The Tibetan colony.
The Tibetan colony. Wanna say hi? To do what?
Get a facial.
I'm not getting a facial. She's getting the facial. Women usually get the facial. Ew. Bye. What do we know about this place?
It's the Tibetan River.
You don't know anything.
No, I
Okay.
don't. I'm not a very good guide. It's the Tibetan colony.
It's the Tibetan colony. Okay. We are now somewhat lost inside of the Tibetan colony. Gita in search of a facial, but it's not very big apparently. Yeah, unfortunately I don't have smell-o-vision on my camera. I don't know. Is it that way or is it that way? We're on the right side? We are on the right side? You sure?
No, I've been in that whole little section before.
Uh-huh. Maybe they're not there anymore.
No, I'm trying to think where the main track is.
I'm willing to bet that J-Lo has not given her endorsement to her image being used here. I can't wait to go and relax. Oh man, I think I could handle it better if it was just not for the horrible time change. Thank God I'm a night person to begin with, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to take this kind of a change in the time. I'd be completely out right now. God, we were traveling for almost 40 hours straight. I compensated a lot because I slept a lot on the airplane. Yeah, I popped a few Xanax on the way over here, but it's still way too much right now. Way too much. We're going to try to find a party tonight for me because it's my birthday.
And I'm pissing through my ass.
And she's pissing through her ass. Not that she's sick, she's just pissing through her ass.
Kind of a cleansing.
Yeah.
I ate some wheatgrass and it was on.
It what?